Select Variable Mode. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner to add your own curve. Turn on brew weight and adjust to the desired weight. Choose whether to enable the pre-infusion function based on your preference. Choose the suitable pressure mode as needed. Next, customize the pressure, flow rate and time parameters according to your preference. Tap Save in the top right corner to store this pressure curve. Tap Start and Seine X will extract according to the curve settings. During extraction, the screen will display real-time brewing data. Tap Edit in the top right to view and record the values. Tap the folder icon to quickly access the main interface. If you're not satisfied with your first espresso, you can edit the existing extraction curve again. Tap the question mark icon to view the parameter settings for each pressure mode. Press the plus icon to insert a new stage. In this mode, the machine allows us to decide what sort of extraction we want for each stage of the cycle, including the beginning, middle and final stages of the process. We can change the weight, time and pressure for each stage of extraction. This allows you to fine-tune every shot of coffee you pull. With further adjustments, you can create a more optimized curve. Press this folder icon to access and modify your extraction records. And there you have it. These are your extraction records under different modes.